Welcome to Prinect. In this session, we're going to look at the Prinect schedule. So why do we need a schedule? In order to keep your press running efficiently and cut down on non-productive time, we need to pass the job to the press in the most efficient way, minimizing stock changes, wash-ups, and other non-printing operations. With the Prinect schedule, we offer a range of tools to put you in charge and to present you with the information you need to make informed decisions. So let's take a look at what we can do. Our first view here is our machine view. Here we see a list of jobs in the order they're going to be produced, and we are displayed here with information about plates, paper, sizes, colours, delivery information, and many other items. Underneath we have a Gantt chart showing us the order of our jobs. Each job here is colorized to represent certain information. For example, here with the red corner, this tells me that there is a comment on this job. If we move to our daily view here, we now can see these blocks in a larger format. If we hover over, we're presented with some base information. We also have a weekly or an overview. Within our overview, we can choose which machines and devices to display. So here we have our red tag. Underneath we have a green corner. This tells me that plates have been made and this job is ready for production. We're presented with a thumbnail of the image so we can see what we're going to be producing. In our colours, we can see different information again. Initially, we've started with our operations. If I drop this down, I can see my customer services representatives. I can see comments on the jobs. So we spoke earlier about comments. Here we can see this job here is a press pass. The green job needs to be checked with Nick before we go into production. And the pale pink job here, if we look underneath, the comment says this job is required for an event and must be delivered. So information can be communicated to the production schedule, helping the scheduler keep control and organize the workload. In our formats, we can see sheet sizes. So here at the start of our day with our Excel 75, we have a smaller sheet size. Then moving up to 644.50, and we can see that the sheet size changes throughout the day. The same is true on our 106. So what are we going to do about that? With Prinect, we have an optimization tool. If I right click here, I can optimize my print order. This is a rules-based system and can be adapted to any business's requirements. Simply drop down and choose your rule. In this case, I'm going to use sheet width, then height, then grammage. I'm going to run that over 72 hours, and I'm also going to match my post-press to press operations. Now all I need to do is run the optimizer. And here we can see that jobs have now been grouped by sheet width, sheet height, and grammage. This would cut down on cut lines on our blankets, meaning we don't need to change our blankets so often. If I optimize again, another item that would be of interest to us would be our spot colors. So here I've created my super rule to include special colors, then widths, height, and grammage. Again, I'm going to run this over 72 hours, and I'm going to optimize for post-press as well. Move this down so we can see this visually. Run the optimizer. Now you can see we get a different set of results. I'm going to apply this and activate this. Once activated, this information will be sent out directly to our connected devices, in this case the press. I'm now going to do the same with the 106. And again, I'm going to use my super rule. Let's watch and see the results. Apply. Okay, so we can see our sheet size changes here from 880 630 up to 900 640, and then we seem to change to a different size. Okay, this is because we're now considering our spot colors as well. We can see our spot color work is grouped at the start, and then we move into our 4-color. There are many other views that we can utilize to tell us information about our jobs, their colors, customers, and so on. Activate this again, and this is now available at the press. We also add shift patterns. So here we can see Saturday and Sunday we're not working. If we need to open these up and allow work to be scheduled in here, simply right-click, change the shift schedule, move this to a Saturday and say OK, and Saturday now becomes available for me to schedule. In conclusion, Prinect Schedule gives you the tools to optimize your press and maximize your output. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other clips.